Hi children, how are you? We are starting multiplication table of 2 and 3. Did you remember the multiplication table of 2 and 3? We can revise. 1 2's 1 2's 2, 2 2's 4, 3 2's 6, 4 2's 8, 5 2's are 10, 6 2's are 12, 7 2's are 14, 8 2's are 16, 9 2's are 18 and 10 2's are 20. Then 3's table 1 3 3, 2 3, 6, 3 3, 9, 4 3, 12, 5 3, 15, 6 3, yes 18, 7 3, 21, 8 3, 24, 9 3, 27 and 10 3, 30. So, in that time I will show some balls. Here, you just look here. I have some balls. I just make them 3 groups. I have 9 balls. I just arrange these balls in 3 groups. In each group have how many balls? 3 balls are there. Then, my friend gave 3 more balls. Then I want to distribute this ball to here. In each ball, how many balls I will get? 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? Here, how many groups are there? 4 groups. In each group, how many balls are there? Sorry. Here, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. Each group have how many balls are there? 4 balls. Then, what is the value of 3 into 4? We will check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much? 12. 12 balls are there. Then here, which multiplication table we learn? Yeah, we already learned 2, 3. The next 4. So, write the heading multiplication table of 4. You can write the multiplication table. Are you ready? Then you say, I just write this. 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 'Okay, we can arrange using ball. I have some balls with one group. How many balls are there? 4. Then again I create one more group, the same number of balls. Then total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 4s are 8. I just draw these figures. Then 3 groups with 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 4s are 12. In multiplication of 2, we got 4 into 2 is 8. And the multiplication table of 3, 4 into 3 is 12. So, both are same. 4 into 2 and 2 into 4 is same answer. 3 into 4, 4 into 3 also same answer. Okay. Then 4 into 4, so one more group is there. Then how much? 16. Very good. Then another group. Now how much balls are there? Yeah, good, 20. Then now, yeah, 24. Then now, how much balls are here? Yeah, very good, 28. Then, now how much? 32. Now 36, very good. Now how much? Yeah, 40. So this you want to put in a box. What is the multiplication table of 4? 1 4 4, 2 4 8, 3 4 12, 4 4 16, 5 4 20, 6 4 24, 7 4 28, 8 4 32, 9 4 36, 10 4 40. It's clear? Okay, we can do some problems from your content book. All are ready? Okay, take your content book. The girl, write the question, the girl skips 4 numbers, the girl skips 4 numbers each time she jumps. Each times she jumps. When she jumping time, she skipped 4 steps. Okay. Then where will she be? Where will she be after 2 jumps? After 2 jumps. Now she is standing here. Then first jump, where did she reach? She skipped 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. From first jump, 1, 2, 3, 4. So she reached here. First jump. Then second jump, 1, 2, 3, 4. She reached 8. So after 2 jump, you write after 2 jumps, she reached 8. She reached the number 8. It's clear? Okay. The next question. Find the product of product of. What do you mean by product? Yes, the result of multiplication. Product is the result of multiplication. When we are multiplying, we got one result. That is product. It's clear? Okay, find the product of 3 into 4. Second question, 6 into 4. Third, 9 into 4. Fourth, 10 into 4. So you want to find the product of these numbers. What is the value of 3 into 4? Yeah, very good, 12. What is the value of 6 into 4? 24. Then 9 into 4? 36. Then 10 into 4? 40. Now it's okay? The next question. Romy wants to give Romy wants to give 4 pencil to each friend. She has some friends, so she want to give some pencil, 4 pencil to each one. If she has 7 friends, how many pencils should she buy? So Romy is a good girl, so she decided to give some pencil to her friends. How many friends with her? Yes, 7 friends. Then how many pencils she want to give to your friends? How many? Yeah, 7 pencils. 4 pencils. She has 7 friends. Then each friends she decided to give equal number of pencils. No partiality. She gave equal number of pencils to each one. Then how many pencils she decided to give? 4. Then she think that how much pencils I want to buy for giving gift. So you just tell me how much pencils she want to give. Yeah, first group she want to give 4 pencils. First friend, second friend also 4, third 4, fourth 4, fifth 4, sixth 4 and seventh 4. It's very easy to add. First 4 plus 4, then that result to 4. No. So here how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups are there. In each group have how many pencils? 4 pencils. Then this is a multiplication problem? Yeah. So, but this is a story problem. In story problem what we needed? Yes, step needed. What is the first step? You just tell me. What is the first step of this? What is given here? 4 pencils. So, we want to get the answer become 4 pencils. What is the statement? Number of pencils to each one. Okay, number of pencils to each one. Then what is Yeah, 4 pencils. The next step we needed, next number is 7. We needed the answer becomes 7. What is the statement? Yeah, number of friends. Very good. Number of friends to roaming. Here only one person, so no need to mention roaming. Number of friends. Yeah, 7. Then what we want to find? How many pencils should she buy? So how much pencil she want to buy, or you can write the total number of pencils. How you get? I told you. How you get 4 plus 4 plus 4? No. 7 into 4. Yes, 7 groups with 4 pencils. So what is the value of 7 into 4? What is the value of 7 into 4? Yeah, 28. So how much pencils she want to buy? 28 pencils she want to buy. Okay dear children, today we are discuss the multiplication of 4. Multiplying by 4. In that section we are discussed multiplication table of 4. You know that? 1 4 4, 2 4 8, 3 4 12, 4 4 16, 5 4 20, 6 4 24, 7 4 28, 8 4 32, 9 4 36, 10 4 40. You should learn this table. Okay. Okay dear children, I hope all are clear this. Do all problems. Have a nice day. Thank you.